Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
So obviously last night, Storm Dave decided to implode down here in Rotherham. The yard's absolutely drenched. So what did the Easter Bunny do?
Hide him in the purple turd.
He hid him in the purple turd. He sent you a little letter, didn't he? Yeah. He said, I've put him in the purple turd. He says, the ones from the Easter Bunny are the Kit Kat eggs. And the ones that Mum and Daddy sent to the Easter Bunny are the cream eggs. Okay? Edie has some special chocolate which is in the packet, which we need to help her find. Edie's just coming down, you have to help her. He said some are really easy to find, some are really difficult to find. Okay? Just remember, the bus is a building site.
Wait, can they be in that cupboard?
They might be in cupboards, I don't know. Right? But I'll check it.
Find 2 eggs.
Yes, you need to find 1 Kit Kat each and 1 cream egg each. All right, I'll start inside, okay? But what we've got to remember is that there's lots of bits in the bus, so don't fall over. Okay. I don't want to do an A&E trip today. Wait, come back. Hi. Edie's here. Right, let's wait for you to come out and we'll go. Edie, are you ready for some dairy-free chocolate? We're still teething with her big rosy cheeks. Morning. She's like, what's going on? What's going on?
I already know where one is.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Someone's cheating. Off you go. Be very careful. Oh, found Edie's. That were easy. Look at that. Dairy-free chocolate. Right, go on. Do you want to give Edie to Mummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we found Edie's.
Edie, what did you do?
Thank you. We got some dairy-free chocolate. Oh. Well, there's 1 egg. No, he hasn't got one of those. It's for you lot.
It's mine now.
Is that yours?
Yeah, it's
okay. Oh, all upstairs, are we?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, we're on the Easter egg hunt. Everyone's looking for eggs. Let me show you our bedroom. So yesterday, which we didn't film, we've got all the walls in our bedroom. Look at this. Oh, all of that. Oh, I'm just going to pop myself here for a minute. You found any more? Oh, you got yours? Come on, Poppy. I thought you would have found something now. Hey.
I need to find a Kit Kat one.
You need to find the Kit Kat one. Oh, we all found cream eggs?
Yeah. Yeah, I want my cream egg right now. I think Kit Kat's downstairs.
Okay, I'm going to go downstairs. Ooh. Ooh. What, you found somewhere? You got you both yours?
Yeah.
Winner. Poppy, you still looking for Kit Kat? Yeah. Luna, you still looking for Kit Kat? Oh, Edie's on the chocolates. She's very happy this morning, eating the chocolate. Oh, Poppy, you're in as well. Come on, Fee, who's still looking for Kit Kats? I think you've got the hard ones.
I don't know where mine is.
Fee was going for a climb this morning over.
Anna.
Oh. Have you found it?
Found one. No.
I can see one.
Same. Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
So Luna, you've got the hard one to find. Perhaps it's not inside the main area of the bus. Where else could it be in this bus? Where have you not looked?
In the cupboard.
Oh, hey! Right, are we all egged out?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Happy Easter, everyone. So we're up with Mum and Dad's. We've come here to do another Easter egg hunt because they do one every year. All the cousins come together, all the kids' cousins, so they're all here. There's 40 eggs sitting in the garden, 5 each. Obviously there's Dottie and Marnie and obviously Flynn as well. So now they're all coming here at this door to find their eggs. And we've hidden them in right dodgy places, me and Jack. So they'll try and find them and see how they get on. What colour are you, Poppy?
Yellow.
You're yellow.
Give it to Jack.
Yellow.
What colour are you looking for?
Flynn, what colour are you? Oh, you're yellow with chicks on.
Yeah.
Yeah, off you go. Phoebe, what colour are you?
Purple.
Purple. And I'll find Edie's. Off you go looking in the garden.
Right, what colour's he?
You found one, Pops?
Yeah, and
Are you blue, Luna?
has this.
I see two Lunas. There's one there and there's one there.
No, Daddy will
Oh,
put this.
someone's got one. Someone's.
You need to put it on that table.
Scan this. Right.
Dottie's found one. Where is it, Dottie? Where is it? It's there, look. Do you want me to get it for you? Can you catch it? Are you ready? Ready to catch? Put coffee in. Are you ready? What are we doing? Do you want to catch it? That's not yours. You're nicking up there, not yours. This is yours. Go on in. Come and get it. Ready? Up. Oh, no. Poppy, found any more?
I found two so far.
What colour are you?
Yellow.
Yellow, but without the chicks. You can't find any of yours. What colour are you, Luna?
Blue.
Blue. I've seen loads of yours down there. Down there. Flynn, how you doing?
Molly.
Badly.
No.
How you doing? Good.
Have you found one?
No.
I can see one. Look up. Oh! So Uncle come around to get it for you. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Daddy, I found this one.
You found one?
Yeah.
There you go. How many you got now?
I've got one more left.
One more.
Shall we go and look this way?
Poppy, how many are you looking for too?
Yeah.
What colour? Yellow, isn't it? Yellow without chicks.
Yes, I've said that 3 times already.
I know, I keep forgetting. There's so many colours to choose from. Crazy dog. Luna's got one missing.
I've got one missing.
You've got one.
Luna,
You've got one.
do you want help?
So we need blue. We're looking for blue and purple.
And there's when he got left to find.
Oh, she's got that purple one from there. I can't remember where I did them. That's the other problem. I don't know what I've done. Where's it? Oh, you got yours. Yours was down there. That's good.
Might be down here, Luna.
We're looking for a blue one. A blue one. We're looking for a blue one. I don't know what I did with them, Jack.
Oh, I do. I do remember.
You do? Right, round 2. These are the mega hard eggs. We've only got one each to find now, but they're extremely hard to find. And this is for a bigger prize inside. Sophie being the leader. Where are you going, Poppy? There's not in there. That's too easy. We're missing children. Oh, Dottie's there. We're missing Phoebe. Come on, Phoebe. Here's Phoebe. Go! Meow. Oh, it fell out the tree. It fell out the tree.
Do you want me to hide it again?
Right, go and hide. Jack will hide it for you.
No!
Can you find it, Flynn?
I can see it. I can see Dottie's.
I can see Flinny's. No.
Yeah, it is hers. I can see
Keep looking. It's not in the shed that's falling down.
No.
Can I see it?
Ooh. No. Who's pink?
Me.
Okay.
I'm purple.
Is that super hard?
Yeah.
Flynn, I can see something yellow. What do you mean yellow over there?
Super hard.
Go look under there.
Right, so Flynn, you're in the top half of the garden, yours is in the bottom half of the garden, Poppy. Top half.
Top.
Yeah, top half.
Oh my god.
Phoebe, you're extremely cold. Like, wrong end of the garden.
You're looking for the white rabbit.
Oh, Dottie, have you found it? Dottie, you found it? There you go. Nice one, Dottie, well done. Flynn, have you found yours? Wrong side of the garden, Phoebe.
Down there then.
Well, if that's long ways, which other way can you go?
That way.
Yeah. Oh, Flynn's got his. Flynn, show us what you've got. What you got? Yes! You're on the wrong side of the garden, Summer. You're on the wrong side of the garden. That side. Top half. You're like extremely warm.
Oh, boiling.
Boiling warm.
Where is he? Where?
Like boiling warm.
Boiling. You don't know that?
Let's check. It's wet.
Ah! Split open. Pick them up. Right, you found yours. Nice. So, oh, I think, yeah, you're hot. Luna, you're hot. Don't we hid yours? Yours fell out the tree. So, you're like extremely hot, but cold. Warmer. Extremely hot. Getting warmer. Boiling hot. You're on the sun. Your chocolate is melting. You're so close. The yellow one's down the bottom. Poppy still needs to find it.
No one tell me where it is.
Okay, I'm gonna go and have a look. Right, I'm gonna go and find Poppy and see if she's having any luck. Poppy, where are you? You're mega cold. Mega cold. Mega cold. You're in Antarctica. Warming up. Getting hot. Mega hot. Getting cold. Mega hot. Have you got it? Can you even reach it? Go on. Oh, you found yours. Where was it?
I couldn't reach it.
You couldn't reach it. Probably can't reach yours either. So I lift you up. Right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Get into heavy for this. I got it. There you go. Oh.
Dude, come here.
Luna's still going.
Whoa. Boiling. Cold. Boiling.
It's that hot. Your chocolate's melting in the sun.
Wait, let me try to see it.
Cold.
I can see it.
Antarctica cold. Not in the shed.
I know where it is, Luna. I know.
Everyone can see it, Luna.
Look at the floor. Stand there, look at the floor.
Here.
It's around in that bush somewhere.
Just looked over it.
Luna! Right, stand here, bend down, and then now.
What's telling me?
Look, straight there.
I think you're playing silly buggers.
Oh my god, it's so easy.
Before we know it, it's Friday and we're back at the bus. Been a manic week. We've not got much done during the week this week, but the weather's nice. It's rained heavy this week and we've had no leaks again, which is great. Just getting all the wood set up, ready for cutting. Let me show you what we've been getting on with, which I've not filmed. Take you upstairs. So as we go in, all the walls are now built, both sides of the bus. And the bed frame is coming together. So that's what we're going to finish off next, just to put the supports in and the cross members, and we can put the top piece on. And my high temperature glue wasn't very good. Need to look at that, it's falling down. So let's crack on. Oh, so now bed frame's complete. We've boarded it all out, which you can see here. Looking very good. We're now using 22mm ply for the top board. We put enough support in it to hold the 22 ply, which is fine. So I'm just going to cut this down so it's 150 meters wide, which is a king size bed. I've got 2 pieces of this so we can double it up. And eventually it should lift up for a bit under bed storage. So we're just getting the measurements done, nice and straight. We're going to cut this up in sit-through. Then Phoebe is going to hoover up. So let's get this cut. It might be a bit thick for this. Doesn't like that at all. Right, let's have a look. Is the battery dead?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we've got a dead battery. Go get me a funny charge.
So that's it. That's the bed base finished. Does anyone want to test it for me? Oh, is Luna going to test it? Go on then, sit on it. Oh, wow.
I think it's good.
Does it break? Is it all good? Jump on it. Stand up and jump on it. With your wrong shoes on. Yeah, that looks good to me. Thank you. So the ovens have opened. We've now got side pods in on the back wall. Me and Nicole managed to figure it out. It only took 2 hours and my dad having to come down to figure it out. We now made the top one, which is the bookcase. I said it's one of the coffins. Let's see if it fits. I don't think it's going to fit first time because none of them have fit first time. But now it's raining. I can't really cut outside. So let's see if we can get this in. 1, 2, 3, lift it up. Slough the fingers.
Oh no!
Too long.
That's way too long. Maybe not.
We made it to measurement. Right.
And it's now stone.
Okay.
I know we can cheat, but
There's a way cheat way here. We're going to use the cheat way. Just out of curiosity, Poppy, just hold it, pull it out.
do we spot Poppy?
Never mind.
Right, so we pulled the frame forward and it's slotted in lovely. Lovely jubbly. So we need some screws to screw it in, then we can push this frame back.
Yeah.
Right, let's get the screw drill on it and get these front ones in first. So we've only got some books on the bus. We don't know whose they are. They're just books we've got laying around.
Wait, these 2 are ours.
Okay.
And these are ours.
Okay.
And there's a mum's.
They're mum's. Go on and see if they fit in the bookcase. Oh, I made it too small. No, they go the other way round. Gosh, proper deep. You lose, but you can double stack. But you can double stack books. We've got a double stack there. Look.
We've got enough room for a full library now.
Got a full library above the bed. What that does need though is like a little bit of dowel
In the middle.
just in the middle to stop things falling off as we drive. Yeah. So the plan now is really these bits we've like for little drinks and a lamp, USB-C for phone cables and chargers in there. The bottom bit down there will be blocked off because that's my little bedside unit. Now the top bits, I'm quite tempted to build. Now I can actually do it. Build some little inlets. But Nicole wants, Nicole wants some lava lamps. Now, Journey takes a trip worth a follow on YouTube and Facebook. She's based around where we're based, like family-wise, so we bump into each other quite a bit. And she's got an obsession with lava lamps. I'll put a tag into her socials on here as well, and the lava lamps. But we're thinking maybe putting 2 lava lamps here, proper old school. So we'll see how that goes.